Hello everybody, hope you're doing well. Thanks for coming along in the video today. We're departing Music City Executive Airport, heading to the Chicago area in this beautiful Generation 2 Plus Vision Jet. Thanks for coming along. Music City traffic, you have a Vision Jet now departing runway 35. It's going to be a northbound departure out of Music City. Final approach is clear, CAS messages are clear. Alright, we require about 3,300 foot of takeoff distance today. This is a 6,300 foot runway. Airspeed alive, there's that runway center line. We have 60 by the markers, continuing. Our calculated rotation speed's about 90 today with this weight, and here we go. Alrighty. Pause the rate, gear coming up. Alright, above obstacles, flight level change and pitch for a little bit faster airspeed. 115, there's flaps coming up. Caps available. And MCT. Music City Executive traffic, you have a Vision Jet now about 3 miles to the north of the field, departing the area through 2,500 feet. Music City traffic, have a good day. Nashville approach, 4 flight 585, we are 3,000 on a runway heading.
4 flight 585, Nashville departure ident.
Departure, jet right 50, 2100 for 4,000 runway heading.
Jet right 50, Nashville departure, radar contact, proceed direct Kello, climb and maintain 15,000, best rate through 8,000.
Direct Kello, up to 15, best rate through 8, jet right 50.
Right 50, mid out 2, climb and maintain 14,000.
4,000, jet right 50.
Jet right, I want to make sure I heard you right, 14,000 is the final, 14, best rate through 8.
14,000, best rate through 8 for jet right 50.
4 flight 585, Nashville approach, radar contact, 6 north of Gallatin at 3,000, climb and maintain 15,000, Nashville altimeter is 3005.
3005 up to 15,000, 4 flight 585.
Digit 1965, turn right heading 110, set and maintain 7,000.
110, 7,000, Legion
15,000 feet set.
50 Golf Alpha, you're 3 miles from Wilson, cleared
vertical
RNAV
speed.
runway 2 approaching to John Tune. Radar services are terminated. Contact Tune Tower 19.45, maintain your current squawk code.
So
all right, we'll maintain our current squawk code and we'll contact Tower and we're clear for the RNAV runway 2.
Climb rate that we're happy with.
4 flight 585, contact Memphis Center 133.85.
3385, 4 flight 585, good day.
Departure United.
Alright, so right now 1,500 feet a minute has us at about 212 knots of indicated, so we're going to increase that a little bit while we have that energy. Memphis Center, 4 flight 585, we're 3.8, coming to 15,000, heading 350.
4 flight 585, Memphis Center, clear direct to boiler, climb maintain flight level 230.
Direct boiler 230, 4 flight 585. Direct boiler set, nav mode set, and 230 is set. Alright, zoom this out a little bit. About 25 miles, looks good. So increase the climb rate to about 2,000 feet a minute. Airspeed was starting to decline a little bit, so we know it's time to reduce that climb rate. We'll try 1,500 and go to vertical speed. Capture indicated airspeed of 166. Alrighty, yeah. Rain conditions here today in Nashville. Looks like that'll be the situation for at least the first third of the flight anyway. And nicer conditions as we get closer to the Chicago area. I was talking a little bit about Music City Executive Airport in the intro of this video.
Memphis, yeah, I did 334, 4,700 for 15,000.
And Music City Executive's nice airport, non-towered, it's north of Nashville.
I maintain flight level 230,
so it's out of the fray of the Nashville metro area per se. So a lot of the music executives and royalty as well as celebrities like to use Music City Executive Airport for their airport of choice when coming to the Nashville area. So in today's flight, I'm flying empty up to the Chicago area. I'm picking up 5 passengers up there, bringing them back to the Nashville area this afternoon. These conditions are going to persist pretty much all day long, so we'll be paying attention to the weather.
Roger. In the Nashville Forks, there's some scattered areas of moderate.
These current conditions might develop into scattered thunderstorms this afternoon at our arrival time. So, unfortunately, I can't record the second flight due to passenger discretion, but in any case, we're happy to film this flight today. Thanks for coming along.